Okay, everybody stand here.
I'm Shirley. I'm from Philippines, and I'm supporting my nephew, which is Innocent, and we're currently working here in Riyadh. The whole game was really intense. Actually, I'm really nervous because if they lose with a match, it will give them hard time because it's like a three-way tiebreaker. You know? That's why when they won the match, I'm really shouting when they won the series. Actually, for my nephew Innocent, we're just really super proud of what he has achieved right now because we all know that in the Philippines maybe he's a great player actually. He just maybe in the wrong team, but now when he joined the SRG, his potential came out, especially with his teammates, of course. We're really just proud of him, and I'm happy because I've never seen him for 1 year and a half. Just now I see him again.
Okay.
The supporters of SRG and to the whole Selangor Giants, good luck to the playoffs. We will support you till the end. We know you can